Hi everybody, Laurie here from Unique in the Creek. No, that's not what I wanted. Say hello when you come in. I just wanted to show you yesterday's wonderful, just trying to flip this around, let's see. Oh, there we go. Hello. Say hello when you come in. I wanted to show you, look at this bad boy. So I wanted to show you KIT140, all finished on my door. And I'm going to show you the other kit, all the stuff that is in the snowman kit. So I am almost finished, as you guys, if you followed my little journey, I am almost finished with Fix That Ugly Door. So my door, isn't it pretty? It used to be that ugly blue. So I have finished it in an antique bronze. We went yesterday to buy the really pretty like wrought iron, or not wrought iron, like the black iron door handle and lock. So Dave's gonna put that in tomorrow. So I'm so excited. But I wanted to show you this beautiful, I love this wreath. So this is the wreath I made last night on a live. What a beautiful day out right now. It's nice to see the finished product in person instead of just a, look at that bow. I'm so glad I made the bow. It really sets it off nicely. Yeah, so this is KIT140. It does look great on the door. I love my door. It's getting there. And look, I even got black. Don't mind the ladder and everything. I got black. Well, they're not really black. They're like a bronze too. Planter pots. Thank you, everybody. I think it looks amazing. Doesn't it? Anyways, I also wanted to show you guys the second kit. I know, I love the door too. I wish you could see. It looks like it's got ripples and everything. It's only because it's metallic. So the paint I use is a bronzed metallic spray paint. It took 4 cans to cover it, but if you guys, you know, I put pictures up earlier last week when I was doing it. I got it right down to the metal, so I had to scrape off, I think there was 5 layers of paint on this door. So I got it all the way down. No sound. Anybody else having a sound problem? Anyways, so the next kit, and I'll probably do this on the weekend, is a snowman kit. Now you guys, even though it's early, you guys are loving the winter kit because a whole bunch were sold yesterday. So this snowman kit is KIT172 on the rectangle boards. So you get the 2 rectangle boards in your kit. You get this awesome snowman. Look how cute he is. It's an embossed metal snowman sign. So we will put him, so obviously I'm going to probably use both rectangle boards to make my swag. You get this awesome blue and white. It's an ice blue and white striped mesh. And we're keeping it, I'm just dropping everything. Story of my life, I drop everything. I'm just chaos. My whole life is chaos, my friends. Anyways, look at these ribbons. So you get the black and white dripped ribbon that has the snowflakes, and the snowflakes have glitter on them. You get this 2.5 inch. Sandra, you might want to go out and come back in. I don't think anybody else is having any problems. 2.5 inch blue and white check with snowflakes on it as well. You get this black and white trimmed with shimmer glitter, blue, ice blue. And you also get, oh, I love this one. It's ice blue and white argyle ribbon, and all the white is glittered as well. Really pretty. And you also get 5 of these big glittered snowflakes to go into our swag. So, and then of course, you know, you get gray zip ties. Everybody gets gray zip ties now in their kits because I love how they match the boards. So gray zip ties, and you know, your pipe cleaner and your cable mounts. We got 5 of these fairly big snowflakes, and they're glittered. And I'm gonna try and hold all this up. I don't know if it's gonna work. Can you guys see all that? So it's a really, really cute kit. You get all that. Of course, we're not even going to come close to using all this ribbon. So these are great ribbons to go with into any. Yeah, the kit is listed. It was listed yesterday. We had 100 and something. I think there's only 30 left. So if you like the snowman one, you might want to grab it now. So it is kit 172. Alrighty. Oh, got the mesh. It is, especially if you like snowmen. Everybody likes the snowman for winter. I know it's, you know, everybody's like, oh my God, Christmas already, winter already. For those of you, you know, doing craft shows, you need to get your stuff in and start getting it made for stocking up. Anyways, that's all I wanted to show you was the kit and the beautiful wreath. I love, love, love this wreath on my door. It's the perfect everyday wreath. It says it's good to be home. This kit is on our website as well. KIT140 at uniqueinthecreek.com, like Jackie says it. Anyways, okay. Go grab yourselves a drink. Put some comfies on because we have Judy Baker. We all love a Judy Baker. Oh, there's Judy Baker. I was just saying something. Judy Baker is on in a half an hour, and she has an amazing project to show you guys. So we love us some Judy Baker. She is on at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is in about a half an hour. So there you go. KIT140. Thanks, everybody. Bye.